In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Payhip. Payhip is a fantastic platform for anyone looking to sell digital products, memberships, or even coaching services. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, Payhip provides a user-friendly interface that makes the process straightforward and efficient. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to start selling on Payhip. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Payhip homepage. If you haven't already signed up, you'll need to create an account. Make sure you have all your necessary details handy, such as your email address and a secure password. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard, which is your central hub for managing your products and sales. The interface is intuitive, making it easy for you to navigate through different sections. Now, let's move on to the next step. At the top of your Payhip dashboard, you'll see several options to choose from. Click on Products. This section is where you'll manage all the items you plan to sell. If you're setting up your store for the first time, this page will be empty, but don't worry, we'll change that in no time. After you've clicked on Products, the next thing you'll want to do is click on Add Product. This is where the magic happens. By selecting Add Product, you're beginning the process of listing your first item for sale. You'll be prompted to enter important details about your product. This includes the product name, description, and images. Make sure your product title is clear and descriptive, as this is what potential buyers will see first. When it comes to the description, be thorough and highlight the benefits and features of your product. Good images can make a significant difference, so ensure you upload clear, high-quality photos that accurately represent what you're selling. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, you'll need to set a price for your product. Consider researching similar products to ensure your pricing is competitive. Payhip also gives you the flexibility to offer discounts or promotional pricing, which can be a great way to attract customers. Finally, review all the details to ensure everything is correct and then hit save. Congratulations! Your product is now live and available for purchase. You can now start promoting your product using the shareable links Payhip provides, or integrate it with your website or social media platforms to reach a wider audience. By following these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to successfully selling on Payhip. Remember, consistency and quality are key, so keep refining your product listings and marketing strategies to maximize your sales potential. Happy selling!